So the impact I've had with our customers is it's been absolutely, without doubt, a positive experience. It's been outstanding in regards to some of the stats that we've seen. So it can range from 15 to 20% of all transactions that we see as a business touch Go in Store at some point. We also see that our AOVs of when people do interact with Go in Store is more akin to what we see in stores, which is 43% higher than what we see transacted through the website. And additional to that, when someone interacts with our video experience and connects with our stores and chats with our agents, their likelihood to go on to convert is 19 times higher than we see from just normal browsers of our website.
Yeah, so our staff love it. I mean, you go into any of our showrooms and meet some of the team, the passion for cycling comes right the way through. For us to be able to allow that to happen virtually and take that passion that we see within the showrooms and capture that through our online journey is second to none. And the staff have taken it like a duck to water. Multiple customers come back to us, not just for one call, but 5 calls. We see it through the data. They want to talk to us, not just once. And we know that when we're trying to sell the proposition to the customer, it's not about trying to get them through the door at the first hurdle. There's loads of questions they need to go through and as part of their journey.
Because ultimately we saw that it was the right thing for our customers. Our stores is an asset that we needed to leverage, and we saw that our digital experience could be enhanced by having a closer connection with not only our product but also our staff.
If you walk into any of our showrooms, we class showrooms as an extension of our digital journey to physically see those products, and we see Go in Store as just another extension to that digital journey for us. Whether you want to come into a showroom and see us, or if you're so far away from us, strategically we don't have showrooms all over the country. We've got people calling from all over the globe to us. So I think that's an important part of our strategy moving forward, is being able to give that showroom experience back to customers who may not be in close proximity of a showroom or maybe in different countries, and get that same experience for what they see if they walked into any of our showrooms across the UK.
We've just launched what is probably one of our proudest additions to our store portfolio, which is our new flagship store. When we were designing that, we were looking at what's right for the customer. By proxy, that was also what was right for Go in Store. We want to be able to put our products like a piece of artwork on its plinth, and it physically is on a well-lit plinth, so that they can be surrounded by customers as well as our in-store agents with their cameras to be able to get every little angle of our product. We first decided to use broadcast quite early on. We had just found out that Cycle Show was cancelled, one of our biggest marketing exhibitions that we were planning to do. So we decided, right, we're not doing that. We've got all the assets, we've got all the team, we've got all the products, we've got all the props. Let's do it to everybody on our website and broadcast it not only there, let's do it to Facebook, let's do it to YouTube. And we did, and the reach was not only what we would have saw if we went to the show in the thousands, it was in the tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people. And we produced a piece of content that was now there forever.